Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we bring to your attention some stories you might have missed during the week or that you could look forward to over the weekend. So, Brian, what have you got?
So, a story from this week. The first public trial of a driverless shuttle in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, recently wrapped up. During the 22-day pilot project, a total of 4,500 visitors were shuttled between Telus Park and the Calgary Zoo, as the vehicle operated on a separate roadway free of other vehicles, cyclists, and pedestrians. The shuttle project is now being tested in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada.
All right. I was going to call your attention to a couple of stories that we've been publishing over the last few months, taking a look at each of the integration pilot program companies and test sites. So they're working for the DOT and FAA, looking at different ways to use UAS for package delivery, for medical supply delivery, for inspection, just a whole host of things. So the first couple of stories are online now, looking at the Choctaw Nation project in Oklahoma and the one that the Mid-Atlantic Aviation Partnership is heading up in Blacksburg, Virginia.
So for some weekend stories, an autonomous driving company in China called Momenta has announced it has secured a new round of funding at a valuation of over $1 billion. The company was founded just over 2 years ago in September 2016 and is building intelligent systems for autonomous driving as it looks to provide technologies for Tier 1 suppliers and OEMs. Additionally, scientists with the United States Geological Survey are using UAS to get the most accurate flood measurements. Recently in Texas, USGS scientists used a UAS to measure the water flowing in the flooded Guadalupe River about 2 miles above Canyon Lake.
Okay, and a few things for me looking forward. A robot recently spoke to the UK Parliament addressing technological issues and human issues. It's the little Pepper robot. It's very cute. Met one once before. Not sure if that's going to be a trend, addressing Parliament, Congress, who knows.
Hopefully it is.
Another writer, Anna Kursikova, sent us a link to a story she wrote showing how echolocation used by dolphins and bats and that sort of thing helped inspire lidar. So that's kind of an interesting story. And last but not least, the Navy is seeking input on its planned medium unmanned surface vehicle. Wants it to be 12 to 50 meters long and have extended range, cruise capability, and of course be reliable. So that's what we got for you this weekend, and we'll see you next week.